Hello YouTube, welcome to the first unbiased unboxing with the Galaxy Note 10. So here we go. Alright, so if you pre-order the Galaxy Note 10 through Samsung's website, I got the unlocked version of the phone. So I got a couple freebies over here with the phone. So here is precious Note 10. I got the black and unlocked version. So if you trade in a phone with Samsung, they give you an extra $600 off. And I got this nice nifty case. Depending on which one you go with, you can pick whichever accessories fits your needs, but this is just the unboxing. So here it is. And here are my earbuds. That's also included for free. Alright. Okay, so I bought every single Galaxy phone, and what I don't like about this new one is the fact that they took off the auxiliary, which kind of sucks, the headphone jack. But here it is, all black. Alright, and here's what it comes with, just the charger, fast charging, and the earbuds are included with no adapters. So I wonder if it just goes straight into the USB-C. Yes, it does. The one thing that I don't like about the unlock when I got my Galaxy S10 Plus, the unlock version for T-Mobile, I noticed that the network isn't as good. But overall, it was a really nice phone. But that's the one thing that I would have to say that I don't like about it. But here it is. As you can see, it's much larger than the other one. Much longer and bigger. So there it is, folks. The first unboxing from Unbiased. So check it out. Alright, thank you very much. There's more videos coming in. I'll compare the two and see which one I like better. Obviously, I prefer the Note. It looks much better just without me cracking into it. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.